So you're my gonna go, I got beer for you, so my gonna that the work of your way. You know, yeah, VF. You know, VF for your plant or mother. I'm giving on a plant here. Be a bocano. Hospital. Okay, where before must stay. So it the one on to stay there. First time on your way. Yes, we are here when they are first chance no ya where so like the second chance, the third chance in the air do I have a way on which you can risk it no way okay where or must stay. And one can one stay the got paladia with my again we last year stroke last 2 years stroke last year so okay the one year now okay not to stay in it. So we are only where BF war yaw. Okay, no problem. As far as we always have VF, always have VG, always PGO. So far, no more have VF. I'm a basic fellow. Okay. So, but I'm more here. So far, be my one. But the VF in your more here. Okay. So, I'm only now we are always manipulating my own. This woman. Get man. Okay, no problem. Thank you very much. We appreciate that. Right. Hello? Hello. When I hear this woman, this area, I want to put my mouth for this area. You see this woman will talk just now. Where she say, Mommy Yore go do, I don't know what she say, Mommy Yore go do. Now that area, now I want to put my mouth. So, some people still do this word. With the tear person body, they put waiting person don't know one, no two inside. Hey, oh my God. So, why some people una matter not the whole na? Why una probably una never fit carry am? The more way una get e long, una never carry am. Na person you na una one tie cookie take carry. So it be like say if you say no find that. It be like say that VIF be VIF where you measure so this woman. It be like say now you do. Now you take no say or other person they do one. Because this thing where you can't talk so me never even hear before. That's why Victor they ask you just and say, waiting be VIP, I be waiting. Now the contribution where you call for, now be that one. Because I see one video where Mommy Yore do, where she take cry. And Mommy Yore say, if anything like that, he cry put. So, most of some of those state women, some of you now, why una problem not the whole now? Una o problem, why not the whole now? People will never born at all. We they pray for them day and night. Who get? Who no get? May they still get. If you already tell you this kind of thing, say you want to go do VF, I be with a VIP on the column. You and Mommy Yore sit down, discuss. You hear say Yore and Odogun go do
VIP, abi na VI. You just tear person body, you put waiting person, no one, no two, you put them. So wait to I want to ask you, this woman. If person wey don dey 50 years, for example, you believe say God no fit do one, make that woman born, or woman wey dey 40 years, you believe say she no go fit born. So mommy, you're never old, wey she no go fit pregnant. So why una dey condemn people need? Why una choose to dey condemn people need? Some of you now. Why? Huh? For you to go meet Mommy Yori, make she help you. If you get any area where they lack of, you dey spoil her name. Why? You just call for Victor platform. You just tear that kind lie. You just tear her. You just carry blade, tear her. You just put her inside. Now, why for some people, this woman will call for women platform, you get mad. You get mad. My sister, waiting I will need from you for my own opinion. I for like may you go back to women platform. If not truth, or if not lie, may you go talk am again for there, because that kind of thing, they not the talking for person body. So you there among of people who don't want me you get belly before. Look your appearance. Look Mommy Yori appearance. Your look Mommy Yori. Whether Mommy Yori don't stop to the pregnant. Mommy Yori never old. Mommy Yori never old. Waiting me believe, waiting even delay Mommy Yori not to have baby before because of Oibo way they with that time. Now delay Mommy Yori. You do not get any problem. So why una problem on the whole now? Una problem on the whole now. Now what for some people? You just sit down. You just think, say, what you want do to this person, what you want do to this person. Una just the fair people. Not be only you. Una many for inside this kind of matter. You just tear person body. You put it in, no one, no two. You just put that inside. Huh? So, what it concern you? So that means you not just pray before when Mommy Yori even get in your picking. If you say no find out, you get your. That means say it be like say that VIP abi VI. Now you do the way maybe the same. Now you do. Because if you not do one, you know we just come out for platform go they talk with the person not even know one. If it that kind of thing, for example, say if a person want to even do that kind of thing, now normal thing, but not be say you not even need that kind of thing. Even you not even do that kind of thing, that kind of thing where you even go measure. You just tear your body, you put lie, you put it inside. Waiting Mommy Yori do you, this woman, waiting Mommy Yori do you. Waiting Mommy Yori do you, or Mommy Yori know you before. I be get where una for meet before, or get where una for sit down. Mommy Yori tell you that kind of thing before. My people, if you know say you dey inside, you dey tear person body, dey put wetin you no know one, no two. Change. My sisters, if you know say you there inside, some women, if you some of them way there inside this message, change, you're not good at all. So I leave this message for you, and Mommy Yore use one language, so make I listen to Mommy Yore some record. Okay. And here. Okay.
Because
okay. You see? Now so that woman be. That woman.
The dark woman. But as a Christian, relax. I worry.
Okay. Waiting.
So relax. Uma. The Facebook way.
Oh. Okay.
Uma.
At all. Okay.
This is the reason why Lieutenant Nakpoko have a life now.
You see?
Because mama to be mamu and will it be? Where you are no marriage when I'm why you
okay.
Well, then you cannot be country aggie.
So you know your
if you don't know me
now why for some of you? Abi.
Anything concerning that person, avoid them.
Simple.
They you have to stay away from that person. If not so, it's all about what okay, you what? Although Mujo, this will go away. Am I a better or not this will go when you are go guy? Why cry? Or we're not doing if you can when you book it by you. Or when you book it, where to win or one.
Now, where the top with person, no one, no two for body.
Oh, whatever is so.
Talk waiting your eyes see. Talk waiting your eyes see. My people. Talk waiting your eyes see. Now what? Talk waiting your eyes see. Now it go make you live long. So all women with the look for picking. All women with the look for picking. God go see give una that picking, that baby una the look for. God will do am for Mommy Yore. He go still do una one by one for una. But when I not leave God, when I hold God strong. Mommy Yore do prayer for people. Many people they do testimony. God still answer our prayer. Now some of you now consider come and see they make we. When I remember say God dey all women with the look for pikin, God will answer on our prayer in Jesus' name.